First go to the file and choose open. Select this red chilli image, click open. Take the text tool, select the Arial font, change the font style from regular to black, pick black color. Let's type the text like this. Press Ctrl T for the transform option. Now adjust the text in this manner. Press enter. Right click on this layer and choose convert to shape. Press Ctrl T for the transform option. Right click and choose warp. Now modify the text in this manner. Press enter. Hold the control button and click on the layer thumbnail to select the shape layer. Hide the layer. Select the main layer. Now click on the add layer mask option below. Go to the adjustment layer options and choose the solid color adjustment layer. Select white color here. Now move this layer to the bottom. Select the mask layer. Take the brush tool. Set the foreground color to white. Let's create the effect like this. Let's see the final result.